Currently participating in a Caribbean elective program, the UK-based law students have engaged with organizations such as Raise Your Voice, which supports victims of domestic abuse by helping them obtain divorce petitions, navigate divorce laws, and access funding. University of Birmingham law student Tofik Alam shared with the media that during their time in Saint Lucia and through studying local laws, he has observed significant differences compared to UK legislation.
Here in Saint Lucia, to get divorced, for example, you have to be married for 5 years unless you can show exceptional hardship. And there's 4 grounds of divorce. There's adultery, cruelty, separation, and desertion. In the UK, we don't have that. There's no grounds for divorce. If you want to get a divorce, you straight up go ahead and get your divorce. And access to funding is a lot more easier as well. So it really helps protect women. It makes it a lot more easier to go from a poor situation where you've been married, let's say 3 years, and your husband has cheated on you. You can go straight to a divorce, whereas here it's a lot more of a complicated process.
He emphasized that these differences might necessitate legal reforms in St. Lucia. Alam also shared some of their preparations to better assist women in need.
We as law students do an interview with them. We take questions, we find out. We've spent time here learning the St. Lucian law, especially the Divorce Act, to then go ahead, take information and apply it, hand it over to lawyers who then draft up the divorce petitions, which helps women who lack the financial resources to access funding and pay for their own attorneys.
Law facilitator Maricia John outlined their plans for their visit to the Senate.
Today we're here to witness the first reading of a bill and possibly to meet the senators once we're done.
She also mentioned that while this is her first visit to St. Lucia, the rest of the group has been working in the country for the past 4 years. Shane Stephen, NBC Prime.